you guys see what I'm seeing? Yep, it's my first XMaxx. And by mine, I don't actually mean it's mine because I already spent too much money on RC products this month. This is Joe Cam's XMaxx, the guy that I got my Traxxas Revo 3.3 from. Yep, he has a lot of XMaxxes, and guess what? It is money green. And no, I am not getting the Arma 8S. I have the Traxxas X-Maxx 8S. Let's give it a go. This is my 10th scale Traxxas Revo 3.3. Yep, the X-Maxx of course is dwarfing it. But I gotta say, for a 10th scale RC, it actually isn't that much smaller. The X-Maxx's tires, yeah, they're bigger, there's no denying that, but overall, the Revo is a Nitro. I want to see an X-Maxx and a Nitro. Who's gonna do this for me, Nitro Gang? Put the applications in the mail. This is actually my first look at the inside of an X-Maxx. I've never seen one close up other than the ones I've seen destroyed on many people's channels. But of course, Joe Cam takes really good care of his stuff. He has the most important upgrades, the shock covers, guys. This is running an 8S system. The only upgrade this thing has other than the shock cover is the upgraded hot racing spur gear. Really important upgrade. Now, in case some of you guys are wondering, well, should I get this over to Arma 8S? Just know, I don't like Arma. It doesn't matter what the reality is. They don't make any nitro gas RCs, and Traxxas does. That's right, to that guy that put in the hater comments, I'm a Traxxas supporter. Well, this is the reason why. This is a true 6th scale. Arma markets their new Creighton 8S as a 1/5 scale. Well, guess what? It's not an actual 1/5 scale. Traxxas at least doesn't lie. This is a 6th scale. Hey, by the way, Traxxas, you got any job opportunities for me? My first go with the XMaxx. Let's see if I like it. Of course I'm gonna like it. It's huge. Oh. We got the XMaxx and my vintage Team Losi XXX-NT. Hopefully it starts up. Feels like it's trying to start, guys. One-way bearing problems. XMaxx is in the way. Respect your elders. Here we go, my vintage Losi XXX-NT single speed stadium truck running alongside a modern 8S powerhouse. I can't go too crazy here because I don't want to flip without a body. Don't want to ruin my vintage OS 12 CV cooling head, you know, the classic square design. That's not even top speed, guys. Gotta stay out of the way.
Gotta stay out of the way.
Gotta drive careful, gotta drive clean. I'm Ricky Bobby of NASCAR. Oh man, the XMaxx is scaring my Losi. Oh shit. Oh. Gotta not curse, gotta not curse. You guys see that? A nearly 20-year-old OS engine, how well they run. Gonna do a short little drag race. Hopefully I don't get driven over. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh man, that was close. Yeah, these Losis are actually pretty quick. Other than the motor, it's fully stock. Whoa, it's dangerous out there, dangerous. What lasts longer? A couple 8-ass batteries or a tank of 20% nitro fuel? We're about to find out. Well, I guess the XMaxx lasts longer because I'm out of fuel, guys. Let's look at that. Let's look at the tank. verification. We need evidence. Yep, out of fuel, nothing coming out of here. So there it goes. I had about a 3/4 of a tank in there to start with. Not bad at all, I gotta say. You could use the engine as a hand warmer in cold climates as well. Whoa, man, this thing got the juice. Is it juicing like Rich Piana? 8 scoops, 9 scoops. I'm gonna flip it over, guys. Even Rich Piana needs some help. Holy moly. You hear that gear noise from the giant mod gears. Look at that light on the front. Oh man, block long wheelie action right here. Oh yeah, I heard that high RPM pass. The brakes, let's check the brakes. Brakes are solid. Yeah. This thing is a beast. Whoa. Powerslide, guys, Powerslide. If this track was cleaner, we can get some drifting. Yeah, jumping action. Welcome to this video's Nitro Gang Haters Corner. I know I'm dressed like an idiot. I know I look like an idiot. Why is my hat on this way? Why do I have a terrible looking mustache? Well, I had to put myself in the right state of mind to answer a comment so ridiculous, so bad, so hateful, so silly that I literally had to do this to give a correct and reasonable response because you just cannot deal with people that are this irrational. Let's get to the comment. I have my computer here. I'm going to read it off. We are going to call this the Nitro Gang response. We have this guy named Sumo. Sumo says, "You don't even know about RC. You're stupid. You only know about eggs." This comment is from my latest video, the one where I talked about the aftermath of cooking an egg on the coolant head of my OS 12 engine. So we have one response from Long Dong. I think this guy's actually in my favor. I did give it a like, I did give it a heart. So I think he's responding to Sumo by saying you are a bitch, right? There we go. What did I say? I said, so did you learn anything about eggs from this video? Question mark. Mainly the omega-3 fatty acids and temperatures needed to cook. Okay, so in this video I stated that eggs have a lot of omega-3 fatty acids, especially brown eggs that are cage-free. Blah, 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 that doesn't matter. Rich Piana likes eggs, there's a lot of protein, and you need to cook to at least 149 degrees for the egg whites coagulate. Those are all facts. Nothing there to actually make fun of. Then I go on and say, oh, by the way, I challenge you to an RC debate. The viewers will pick the questions, and Sumo's not a category. Let's see what this guy actually says. It appears in his mind I am stupid just like my stupid fake mustache here and my sideways hat. I agree, this is actually pretty stupid. I am going to be shaving this after this video, after this response. Let's see if he accepts the challenge to my RC debate and how that actually goes. What do you guys think about my response to this comment? It was just so bad. You know, the guy provided zero constructive criticism. In fact, when I clicked this account, it was pretty much nothing, no information at all. So this leads me to believe it's some kind of troll account. Alright guys, there you go. If you like this segment, put in the comments. I do make sure to respond to all of you, as you know. Now it's time to discuss some Nitro Gang business. I shaved the stupid looking mustache because I no longer have to think about that hater Sumo. Let me tell you, the Nitro Gang is gonna get a new member. What is it gonna be? That's gonna be a surprise, guys. I'm gonna give you some clues. We are gonna be going on a vintage Nitro road trip soon. That's gonna be one of the next few videos. This truck, yes, it's a monster truck because you all know I love monster trucks. Can't go wrong with one of those. It's a 2-speed, forward, reverse. It has the biggest Nitro engine ever put into an RC truck other than the Thunder Tiger EK4. So any of you Nitro RC experts out there, don't say Thunder Tiger EK4. That is not it. Maybe one day that will be on my show, but currently that is not it. It is not the HPI Savage XL K5.9. I already have one of those. What Nitro monster truck has the largest nitro engine ever put into a ready-to-run truck that is not the Thunder Tiger EK4? Let's see what you all come up with. See you next time, later. Here we go. From the nitro engine to my mouth. Sunny side egg. No, it's actually pretty good. You know, if I put some seasoning in here, you could safely eat eggs from your nitro engine. Alright, yeah.